Grain to video in Capcut Mobile completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. And click on your video clip so it's color white and it's selected and highlighted. Go to the bottom and scroll to the right. You see the option Adjust. Quickly you want to scroll to the very right until you see the option Grain. You click this and drag this to the right. You notice, but there's a little bit of a grain. Check mark what we have. Now I can't see the grain too much, so we're going to re-click the video clip and basically scroll right. And this is a tip and trick. Click Adjust. We're going to drag this to the right to add the vignette. So now when we click on grain, if I drag this to the right, now you might be able to tell that there's no grain. And if I drag this to the right, I dragged it to the left and dragged it to the right, you see that there is grain in our video. I say this is the before. This is the after.